Here's an OHST exam question. Which of these is a core component of an effective safety management system? The best answer: employee participation in hazard identification and control. Why? Because standards like ANSI Z10 and ISO 45001 require active worker involvement, spotting hazards, suggesting controls, and joining safety decision-making. This builds ownership and actually improves recognition. So why not the others? Why not lowering insurance premiums? That's just a lagging indicator. Results, not prevention. Why not buying high efficiency equipment? It's not automatically safety related unless it's tied to hazard control. And why not team building events? Good for morale, but not hazard management. Exam tip: when in doubt, pick the answer that directly reduces the hazards. That's what a safety management system is all about. Want more OHST practice questions? Subscribe and keep testing yourself.